So it's been almost like a year now, and I haven't invested any money into my productions. So today, mark around 24th December, it's Christmas Eve, and I just bought myself a present to buy. I also bought a standing desk. Now using a DSLR camera, and also using a microphone that one of the designers told me to buy it. But that's pretty much it. Thank you. Anyways, but okay. So despite this video being a prototype of the new setup, I just want to say something to many people out there who are looking forward to starting their YouTube channels. Don't be afraid, alright? At first you might be, I think the hardest part of doing YouTube, of starting out, is the first video. The first video is the hardest one. Literally, you just have to pick up your camera and just upload it. That's pretty much it. The first thing that I did, the way how I approach it, is that I just focus on consistency first. So if you know, like, I didn't care about quality on all the shit. I didn't care about them because I know that consistency must come first. And once I got into consistency of creating YouTube videos, now I'm talking, it's been a year now, so I'm just reinvesting using a good quality camera. Hopefully it's good, and hopefully the sound mic quality is better. But after all, I feel like as a creatives, right, like most of you are, even if you are like design student, even if you are game developers or designers out there, freelancers, I feel like having a YouTube channels is a win if you guys do it. It's worth the investment of your time and effort to put in it, because first of all, you're going to be more discoverable, and it will lead you to more opportunities in the future. And obviously having some sort of platform that you can talk is quite nice as well, so you can share things that you learn, contribute to the community, and all that sort of fun stuff. So yeah, I'm just this video probably actually gonna be my first video using this sort of setup. So let me know in the comment down below if you like this kind of video, or if you like the setup and everything so far. And yeah, also one quick announcement is that right now I'm hosting a art contest, which gonna end on so basically at the end of the 2023, only 1 week left. If you want to submit, feel free. Alright, the price is 10k Robux, and I'm just going to give away to the winner who wins the competitions. But yeah, I hope you guys like it, and hope you guys like the things that I do. I'm signing off. At the end of the day, you're the star. Peace out.